Now notice where my cursor was still in the Painter font. See the grey status bar at the bottom. So let's click to the right of there to get back to normal body text. Insert spacing object, vertical space, and a big skip. Now you might be saying that if all you want to do is to have attractive, colourful fonts, then Microsoft Word can do that, which is true. So let's introduce some mathematics. So for a display, I want Control-D or Command-D on a Mac. For a superscript, Control-2 or Command-2, spacebar to the main line, and then either right arrow or spacebar to get out of the mathematics. And then some final text here to be a benchmark for the size. Notice that the final text should be normal body text, the same as when we started. In the meantime, I'm going to select the Einstein text and change not the font, but the color and size. I'm going to make that 26 point and a blue color. PDF preview. Now to be sure, we'll get the text large and blue, but the mathematics is unchanged. So to increase the size of the mathematics, we need a tech field. So after chap, I've put my cursor and then insert, typeset object, tech field, and I want the command / scale font, and then in curly brackets, the parameter, I'm going to choose 2. And a possible pitfall, this requires the package scale font, but the package does not have an O in the spelling, so scale font without the O and scale font 2. Now this has an interesting effect. To be sure, it accomplishes the desired effect with the mathematics, but the scale font command, which effectively doubles things, has no effect on this final blue text because that size and color is taken care of by the command we gave it in tag advanced. But the scale font command to double the size has affected the final text compared to normal body text. So to correct that, we will need another scale font command. Insert typeset object tech field. We don't need to introduce the package again because that will already be in the document. But the pitfall, you might think that the command you're looking for is scale font 1 to put it back to the normal size. That would be very reasonable, but very wrong, because these parameters simply multiply each other, and 2 times 1 is still 2. The good news is that people who use Scientific Workplace won't have any problems with reciprocals, and so we need the reciprocal of 2 to undo the effect of the first scale font command, scale font 0.5. And there we have various possibilities of color, font, size of mathematics. Thanks for watching.